Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Weng Sensei, your online tutor. Our expression of the day is, I'm getting the hang of it. Let's begin. We use the expression, I'm getting the hang of it, to talk about an activity that we found difficult in the past, but now is easier because we've had a lot of practice. Example conversation. You have a dog? I thought you don't want any pets. I thought it's difficult, but I'm getting the hang of it. Complete this conversation using the video. Use I'm getting the hang of it in your response. Let's try this. Yeah, good job. How is it? Type your answer on the comment section. For tomorrow's expression of the day, we will use my lips are sealed. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get your daily expression of the day. Like and share this video and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and see you again tomorrow. Again, this is Weng Sensei, your online tutor.